Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Space exploration has fascinated humanity for centuries, and over the past few decades, we've witnessed incredible milestones. From landing on the moon to planning missions to Mars and beyond, space exploration continues to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. But how did it all begin, and where is it headed? In today's video, we're going on an epic journey through the history of space exploration, the technology driving future missions, and the dream of expanding humanity's presence into the cosmos. So, let's embark on this cosmic adventure. The story of space exploration began in the mid-20th century during the Cold War, when the US and the Soviet Union raced to prove their technological superiority. In this section, we'll look at the launch of the first artificial satellite, Sputnik, by the Soviet Union in 1957, which marked the beginning of the space age. We'll also explore the US response with the creation of NASA and the subsequent space programs that laid the foundation for human space exploration. The 1960s saw the height of the space race, culminating in one of the most iconic moments in human history, the moon landing. This section will dive into the details of the Apollo program, focusing on the technological breakthroughs, the intense competition between the US and the Soviet Union, and the historic Apollo 11 mission in 1969, when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon. We'll also reflect on the significance of the moon landings and how they inspired future generations to dream bigger. After the excitement of the moon landings, the focus of space exploration shifted towards long-term missions and living in space. This section will cover the development of space stations, starting with the Soviet Union's Salyut program and leading to the construction of the International Space Station, a symbol of global cooperation in space exploration. We'll discuss how astronauts live and work aboard the ISS, the scientific experiments conducted in microgravity, and the importance of space stations in preparing for future deep space missions. In 1981, NASA launched the first space shuttle, heralding a new era of reusable spacecraft. This section will explore the significance of the Space Shuttle program, which allowed for more frequent and cost-effective missions. This section will dive into the details of the Apollo program, focusing on the technological breakthroughs, the intense competition between the US and the Soviet Union, and the historic Apollo 11 mission in 1969, when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon. We'll also reflect on the significance of the moon landings and how they inspired future generations to dream bigger. After the excitement of the moon landings, the focus of space exploration shifted towards long-term missions and living in space. From the Voyager probes, which are now traveling in interstellar space, to the Mars rovers, which continue to send back data from the Red Planet, robotic missions have expanded our understanding of the cosmos in ways that human missions cannot. Mars has always captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike, and it is now the prime target for the next phase of human space exploration. This section will delve into the ongoing efforts to explore Mars, including the success of the Mars rovers and NASA's Perseverance mission. We'll also discuss the challenges of sending humans to Mars, from the technological hurdles to the psychological and physical demands of long-duration space travel. Private companies like SpaceX are making significant strides in this area, with plans to send humans to Mars in the near future. The 21st century has seen the rise of private space companies, which are revolutionizing the space industry. This section will explore how companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Rocket Lab are driving innovation, reducing the cost of space travel, and opening up space to new possibilities. We'll discuss the importance of reusable rockets, such as SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Starship, and how these companies are collaborating with space agencies to further humanity's reach into space. The commercialization of space is creating opportunities for everything from space tourism to asteroid mining. Space exploration has evolved from a Cold War competition into a global collaboration. In this section, we'll examine how countries around the world are working together to explore space. From the joint efforts on the ISS to the participation of emerging space powers like China and India, international cooperation is critical to advancing space exploration. We'll also discuss the role of the European Space Agency, the Russian space program, and Japan's growing contributions to space missions. As technology continues to advance, the idea of colonizing other planets is becoming less science fiction and more science fact. This section will explore the possibilities of establishing colonies on the Moon and Mars, and what it would take to make these colonies self-sustaining. We'll also discuss the ethical and environmental implications of space colonization, as well as the potential for humanity to become a multi-planetary species. Space agencies and private companies alike are working on the infrastructure, habitats, and life support systems needed for long-term survival on other planets. Space tourism is no longer just a dream for the ultra-wealthy, it's becoming a reality for ordinary people. This section will cover the latest developments in space tourism, from suborbital flights offered by companies like Virgin Galactic to the potential for orbital vacations aboard space stations. We'll also discuss the future of space hotels and spaceports, and how the commercialization of space travel could lead to an entirely new industry that makes space accessible to the public. While Mars is the next big goal for human exploration, scientists are also looking further into the cosmos for signs of life and potential new destinations. This section will explore the ongoing search for extraterrestrial life, both within our solar system and beyond. We'll discuss missions like Europa Clipper and the search for liquid water on moons like Europa and Enceladus. We'll also look at the ambitious concept of interstellar travel, including breakthrough initiatives like solar sails and the potential for future generations to reach other star systems. Space exploration has always driven technological innovation, and the benefits of space technologies are felt in everyday life. This section will highlight how technologies developed for space exploration, such as satellite communications, GPS, and medical advancements, are improving life on Earth. We'll also explore how the challenges of space exploration continue to inspire new inventions, from advanced robotics to sustainable energy solutions. Exploring space is no easy feat, and it comes with significant risks and challenges. This section will examine the obstacles that space agencies and private companies face, from the dangers of space radiation to the technical challenges of landing on other planets. We'll also look at the psychological and physical toll of long-duration space missions, and how future space travelers are being trained to overcome these challenges. As space exploration expands, so do the legal and ethical questions surrounding it. This section will explore the emerging field of space law, including treaties like the Outer Space Treaty, which governs the use of space by nations. We'll also discuss the ethical considerations of space exploration, such as the potential for militarization of space, the environmental impact of space missions, and the question of who has the right to exploit space resources. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in space exploration, from guiding robotic missions to analyzing vast amounts of data. This section will explore how AI is being used in current missions and how it will shape the future of space exploration. We'll discuss autonomous spacecraft, AI-driven rovers, and how machine learning is helping scientists process data from distant planets and galaxies. AI could even be the key to solving some of the most complex challenges in space travel, such as navigation and resource management on long-duration missions. As we wrap up this comprehensive look at the evolution of space exploration, it's clear that humanity's journey into the cosmos is just beginning. From the first steps on the Moon to the dream of colonizing Mars, space exploration continues to inspire and challenge us to push the boundaries of what's possible. With advances in technology, international collaboration, and the growing involvement of private companies, the future of space exploration is brighter than ever. So, stay tuned, as we keep reaching for the stars. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through space exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Sam Official Tech for more in-depth videos, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our latest content. Leave a comment below and let us know which part of space exploration you find most fascinating. Until next time, keep exploring the final frontier.